How to fix Bumble app deprecated error on your Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix app deprecated error on Play Store. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're seeing the app deprecated error on your Play Store on Android for the Bumble app, why could this be happening? First of all, it could be that the Bumble app may have been removed from your region or from Play Store, which is why you're no longer being able to find Bumble app on your Play Store. But there might be some of the ways to fix it. First of all, it could just be hidden. In that case, just open your browser and type in Bumble Play Store. When you do that and type in Bumble Play Store, you'll find the first link from Google Play. Now, when you go from the Bumble app from here instead, it might load the Bumble application quite well instead of just searching within your Play Store. If this works for you, perfectly fine. If it doesn't, you can simply go to your Play Store homepage, tap your profile icon from the top right hand side and go to Settings, go to About section and make sure that your Play Store is also updated to the latest version. Now, long press on Play Store app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to your app info page, go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data for your Play Store. And once you've done that, try to relaunch Play Store and that should most likely help you solve the problem for Bumble app. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.